Hi everyone, welcome to back our group. On this video, we will share you about two parasites can be found in fish. So let's go. Wait. Before we get to learn that, let me introduce our group. We are from Parasite Group 3, and then member is Yesi Miranda Halima, Nirmala Zulfana, Hasanal Asfiafila, Haili Oktaviasari, Febri Kurniawan Raharjo, Rangga Aji Ferdiansyah, and the last Adika Armadella. First, we will show you about parasite can be infected fish is Silurotania.
Morphology of Silurotania. Silurotania is parasite from kingdom Animalia, phylum Platyhelminthes, class Cestoda, and order Onchoproteocephalidae, family Proteocephalidae, genus Silurotania. This worm has a small scolex that is different in each species. Has rostrum which is medium size, almost oval in shape. The rostrum was armed with 6 to 7 rows of hooks, which were spindle-shaped in end. His sucker arranged in pairs, one on each side, which is oval in shape. The adult segment is wider than its long. Testes and ovaries.
Predilection of Silurotania. Silurotania siluri is often found in the intestine of catfish. The death cause can be 100%. Thrives will in the water temperatures of about 25 degrees Celsius. Externally, the fish shows signs of hemorrhagic disease. Her stomach is swollen and her fins and abdomen are hemorrhagic. Internally, the peritoneal cavity contains a yellowish fluid. The spleen is enlarged and kidney and liver also bleed.
And then cycle life of Silurotania. The life cycle of Cestod that infect fish requires more than one intermediate host to reach the final host, namely mammals or vertebrates. The parasite in the final host live in the intestines and stomach of their host. The body consists of a part of the head called scolex and a part of the body called strobila. Strobila is a series of segments called proglotid. Each proglotid has a pair of male and female sex cells and can fertilize or produce eggs. The eggs are fertilized by self-fertilization, namely the eggs is fertilized by a sperm cell in the same proglotid. The eggs that are at the bottom of the dirt, they enter the water with help and form a coracidium which are aquapite with cilia to swim freely. Copepod, the eggs in the water, are then infected by coracidium which turn into prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are eaten by fish along with copepod and turn into prokaryotes. If these fish are eaten by human or animal that allow them to live, such as fish that are not cooked or cooked, so that the cestod larvae are still alive. The cestod will become adult and the cycle will continue. If the fish is eaten by other fish, the parasite moves and can live on the fish but does not develop, so that the fish function as a parentic host.
Morphology Caryophyllaeus latticer. Caryopileus laticeps is parasite from freshwater bream which is have a classification. Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Platyhelminthes, Class Testuda, Ordo Caryophyllidea, Family Caryophyllaidae, Genus Caryophyllaeus. Caryophyllaeus laticeps is worm which infect freshwater fish. This is peak of Caryophyllaeus laticeps. This worm have body elongated and slender, from 19 to 26 mm in length, narrowing towards posterior end. Surface uniformly covered with acicular filtrage. Scolex opposites, flagellates to spatulate. Much wider the neck anterior margin with weak folds or growths.
Predilection of Caryophyllaeus laticeps, with worm found in naturally infected freshwater fish such as Abramis brahma, Leuciscephalus, and Rutillus rutillus. Freshwater fish showed the highest infection rate in the cyprinid group, namely scolex worms causing local compression of the intestinal epithelium to the host at the site of attachment of the medium thorax scolex of worms. The epithelial cells of the intestine are feculate and the eggs of the breast are broken. The pathological effect was most pronounced in freshwater fish, which also showed prominent granulomas in the tunica propria close to the shoulder blades.
Life cycle of Caryophyllaeus laticeps. First eggs are laid embryonic and the infective oncosphere is formed after 2 weeks at temperatures between 20 until 22 Celsius. The oligocete Dobivax was suitable experimental intermediate host at metacestodes were formed after 1 month of development at 20 until 22 Celsius. Growth in experimentally infected definitive host tanks kept at 50 until 60 Celsius was low and juvenile tapeworms resembling Pyrocercoid from tubificets were found as late as 11 weeks post-infection.
Well, thank you for watching this video. So this is some resources for these videos. I hope this video can be useful for you. Thank you.